Hi everyone. Let's see which one of you will be eliminated. The eliminated one is Bender, with 3 votes. The next challenge is to survive in an AI-generated blizzard. The people that die will be eliminated, and the people that do the best will be safe. Start. Well, it looks like everyone but Sightseeing Peach and Megan Fox survived, so they are both eliminated. However, I will have to put Chocolate Jade, Kristoff, Nabbit, Kylan, and Pedro Pascal up for elimination this time. Vote who to eliminate.